We have received our LG K42 mobile phone. We ordered it via Flipkart. So this is like, I'm not sure, but this is military standard, safety standard mobile phone. We have just received our LG K42 phone from Flipkart now. So we are doing our unboxing. Our first unboxing video. So this is military standard 810G phone certified for durability. So it is for folks who don't handle their phones properly. So even if like the phone falls, it does not break down that easily. So can you open the phone now? We'll open the phone from back and let's see like what do we have in the box. Open the seal please. Unfortunately this will be last series of phones from LG because LG is opting out of mobile phone business. This is little unfortunate. Their phones have been really sturdy. I have used couple of phones from LG and so I thought like now let me buy the last piece, and was specially buying this phone because this is a military standard 812G certified for durability phone. Okay, so now what do we have in the box? So this phone is there in the box. Keep the knife apart. Can you take it out carefully? So this looks like a nice piece. I ordered actually. Okay, so that was the only one option which was available, which was in grey color. So received in grey color. Phone looks fantastic. Okay.
So we'll just
And let us see all the other accessories which are there in the. Here is quick start guide, boys. Quick start guys, quick start guide, and oh okay, we can show it that. And there is a pin actually which will be used for opening the SIM slot. And what do we have? A mobile back cover. So nice, like most of the companies are now giving back covers. And we have here is the adapter. So this is 5-volt 2 ampere adapter. So it is, the charging will be fast in this case, so it is good. And do we see any headphones?
No.
So unfortunately no headphones, but the packaging is quite nice. Okay. So now we will just open the phone. Boys, be careful. Yeah, don't have to keep the phone like this. Okay. Just a sec. So can you take out the polythene? Okay. Yeah. Take out the polythene. Yeah. And what do we see? Okay. So this is about the what you have. Okay, we have to put the SIM first, yeah? Yeah, okay, just take it out, looking fantastic. So what do we have is, information on the screen is 6 full vision punch hole display. I'm not sure what is this punch hole. Quad camera, yeah, we can see on the back that there are 4 cameras at the back. And so it has 3 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage space. RAM I felt like could have been much better. Most of the phones nowadays are coming with 4 GB RAM. And my assistant has gone. Her mother has sent him for some urgent work which cannot be ignored. So I'll have to continue. Where is the pin?
I don't know.
We have to open the phone. Pin. Where's the pin? Where's the pin? There was a pin.
Maybe in the box.
No, where is the pin?
Maybe
Yeah. Okay, this is the pin. Can you take it out? Can you take out the pin? So we will open the SIM slot.
fine. But I don't know where to take it.
Can you take out the SIM from this Geo from this phone? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can you open the SIM slot?
Where? Where's the SIM?
Okay. Just press it. Yeah. And the SIM slot comes out. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have here is usual SIM slot, and of course like space for micro SD card also. Can you take out the SIM from the old phone also?
Fine.
So if you look at the phone, this looks quite sturdy. Metal finish at the corners looks pretty sturdy, that is, and glassy finish, and I mean the overall phone looks fantastic. So let us start it and see, like, we'll take some pictures and see, like, how is the camera. So can you put the SIM from the other phone?
This
Yeah, from this phone. Yeah. Where is the pin? Yeah, there is the pin.
It's right beside.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we have our SIM, and now we are going to put this SIM in the first SIM slot, and we will of course insert it in the phone. Okay. Okay, now nice. And can you put it inside? Yeah. Okay, cool. So now can you start it? Let's start the phone. Where's the power button? Okay.
See it in the
Usually
instructions. Says it in.
we don't know.
Okay, I understood. The
Yes.
fingerprint.
Okay.
The
So
instructions.
we'll install the finger. Okay, so now this boots up, and okay,
It says it is.
erasing. It's erasing something. I don't know what it is erasing. LG K42 powered by Android. Phone looks nice.
Phone is great.
Let's see what comes
Let's
out.
put the cover on.
Okay, LG
This is the
lights
boot
good.
screen.
Okay.
Boot screen.
तुम खाते रहो मैं खिला रही हूँ
It's taking some time. Wait, please wait. You can put the phone inside the cover, yeah, that plastic cover, yeah. Please put it
Jelly
inside the
cover.
plastic cover, yeah. It looks nice, and phone looks very sturdy, yeah.
Vatika.
Oh, it's taking hell lot of time to boot up. I'm not
Takes
sure
time
why.
for everything. Everything takes time, Papa.
Keep quiet. Oh,
Okay, the setup is here.
so the setup is here. Okay. So this is the welcome screen, and we just a sec. We'll just choose
United States.
English, United States. Accessibility. You can make your phone easier to use by going accessibility settings. I don't want to do that. We just want to go to next. Mobile network, we'll just switch it on. We do not have Wi-Fi at present. And then
Click on next.
we are going to click on next, and
It's
then it
checking
checks for updates. Let's see if we have got any updates to be installed on the phone. This may take few minutes, so we will pause our video. चलो रुको अभी स्टार्ट करो
करेगी.
है ना. So now let us set up fingerprint for this phone, and add your fingerprint. Unlock your phone with your fingerprint, some permission, etc. So let us see. Select a screen lock. We will select pin. We will set up pin 1205, say for example 1205. Okay,
जल्दी आओ
and screen lock has been accepted. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and this is just on the right hand side. So
मम्मा दाल तीखी है क्या
again the process of
अच्छा लड्डू ले लो
No, don't skip.
हाँ शुगर दे दें
दबाते जाओ
Touch sensor again.
दबाते जाओ
So it is.
दाल तीखी है क्या अम्मा क्यों टूलियो दाल तीखी थी क्या
So every phone has its way of placing the fingerprint sensor. So we are almost done, 100%. So now just touch and okay. So getting your phone ready. This may take few minutes. Some legal documents, etc. So I do not have any choice but to agree and just scroll it down. And kind of license, EULA, end user license agreement, something.
इधर आ
Agree and done. So we are done.
A noise came.
So some nice.
Wallpaper.
So this wallpaper has come. Set up
इधर आ
from old device. Maybe I'll do it later. So what do we have here? How is the touch and feel of the? Okay, of the touch screen seems to be good. Let me see the camera.
The camera.
And front rear cameras. Change the camera by swiping up or down. So let us try that. Done. Learn how to use gestures. We can do that later. Tag locations later. And so this is how we switch between front and back camera. This is like this. This is again like this, so it's good. And then we have the camera. Let us take some picture for which so camera, there is some AI cam, some stickers too which you can
इधर आ
place,
कुची
and you can rotate, flip the camera, and AI cam. Okay, so this all camera thingy is good.
अम्मा तुम्हारा एक से
Let us go to settings. What do we have here?
के लिए दे दूं वीडियो कॉल के लिए
So usual
तुम एक फोन रख लो WhatsApp
Android stuff,
अरे दो फोन एक्स्ट्रा
and then when we just scroll it down,
वीडियो कॉल तो उठा सकती हो
we have what we have: Wi-Fi calling, screenshots, airplane mode, flashlight,
And
hotspot, etc. So NFC is also there, so you can do card payment, and some LG 3D sound enable. So let me see. LG 3D sound engine, connect an audio device. You'll have to connect an audio device for this,
Bluetooth connection.
and you can use nearby to share the data. So touch and feel of the phone is good.
नहीं
Uh,
लड्डू दे दूंगी फिर इधर
And the feel of the phone is also good. Okay, so this is our, we will give a kind of 4-5 star rating to the camera or to the mobile, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching our video.